Hello everyone, it's Madhavi. Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is Echorer Dalna or raw jackfruit curry. This is a traditional Bengali recipe rich in flavors and nutrition. For my recipes, I always take in healthier options, but I do never compromise with taste. For this recipe, I have taken 300 grams of jackfruit pieces, 2 medium-sized tomatoes and 3 potatoes cut into quarters. Firstly, make a paste out of coriander leaves, ginger, green chilies, tomatoes and 1 tablespoon of poppy seeds. Use green chilies as per your requirement. For this recipe, take a heavy bottom pan or a kadhai. Add in 1.5 tablespoon of mustard oil. Once the oil gets heated, carefully add in potato quarters. Give it a nice mix. Add in a pinch of salt and turmeric powder and fry it on high flame for 2 minutes. Now cover and cook it for 5 minutes on low flame. Once the potatoes turns golden, take it out of the kadhai. If the jackfruit seems to be hard enough, try to cook it into a pressure cooker till 1 whistle and then fry it. Now into the same oil add in a pinch of hing, 1 teaspoon of soya sauce and then carefully add in jackfruit pieces. You need not to add salt at this stage as soya sauce contains lots of salt in it. Nicely mix it and cook it on high flame for first 2 minutes. Then cover and cook it for more 5 minutes on low flame till it turns golden brown. Once it turns golden, keep it aside. Now into the same kadhai add in some more oil. Allow the whole spices splatter into it, which includes bay leaf, red chilies, elaichi, dalchini and long. Also add in 1 teaspoon of jeera or cumin seeds. This stage, reduce the flame to its lowest. Add in a pinch of hing. Add in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder, which adds wonderful color to this recipe. Also add in cumin powder or jeera powder and coriander powder, also called dhania powder. Give it a good mix and add in the tomato paste. Nicely mix it and cook it on low flame till the oil gets separated. Occasionally stir it and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. Stirring from time to time prevents it from burning or sticking at the bottom of the kadhai. Once the raw smell of the masalas goes off and it turns aromatic, you can see the color is bright enough. It looks beautiful. Season it with salt and sugar according to your taste. Give it a good mix and cook it for more 2 minutes. You can see the masalas are nicely cooked and looks velvety. At this stage add in all the veggies, mix it nicely and cook it till it turns aromatic. Proper sorting of the veggies with the masalas adds extra flavor to this recipe. Saute for 10 to 15 minutes on low flame. Once it is done, add in required amount of water. Mix it nicely. Cover and cook it for 15 to 20 minutes till the veggies get soft. After 20 minutes, let's check. The veggies are soft enough. Cook it for more 5 minutes to have a thicker consistency. Once it is done, add in 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, mix it nicely, cover and keep it aside so that the gravy retains all its flavor of garam masala. Now for tempering, preheat a tadka pan, add in 1 tablespoon of ghee. As ghee has low burning point, it burns easily. So once it melts, turn off the flame. Add in red chili, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. adds extra color to this recipe. Now add in 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi. Toss it nicely. Lastly, adding 1/4 teaspoon of hing adds wonderful flavor to this recipe. Now add in the tadka. Do not skip this step to explore the different flavor of this recipe. Lastly, garnish with some ghee and garam masala, and my tasty and delicious jackfruit curry is ready to serve. To serve it with piping hot rice or roti or paratha. Do try this recipe and let me know how it turned out. See you in my next episode with another recipe. Till then, stay fit and stay healthy. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon for new video updates. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.